Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Tario Sultan. In this video, we're going to discover a hidden gem that's going to transform the way you share with your friends or family or your audience and subscribers, the products you recommend, the product that you use, and you can earn commission in between. Make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks and some nuggets along the way to help you massively grow and earn a passive income on the internet. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. The app I discovered is called shopper.com. You can come to their website and claim your shop. Within a few seconds, you can build up a little shop together and start to have different collections and push traffic to these different collections. And guess what? Everything in the backend is integrated with Amazon affiliate. Just give you guys some background story. I've been on YouTube for about 4 years or so. This is my second channel. My main channel is under my personal name. Number one questions that I always get is, where did you get this item, or do you recommend this item, or what exact items do you have in your studio, and so forth. People ask me, I want to recommend them. So for a lot of YouTubers, they want to stick to something called a kit.io. You can see I can basically throw all these items into a mix and call this mix home studio setup, and then click on Amazon. It gets redirected. I'm from Canada, that's amazon.ca. However, there's a drawback to this, meaning kind of gets messy and there's a lack of customization, and then this is owned by some other third-party brand like kit.co. And then if they click on one of these items, they don't just redirect them straight to the destination. The audience have to kind of pick, right? Which one do you want to get routed to? Do you want to go Amazon? Do you want to go Walmart, and so forth? So that is the thing I don't like about it. But other than that, this is the only free resources I've been using for years. For Shopper app, I'm going to show you guys, it's going to be a complete transformation. And just quickly touch on this deal right now on AppSumo. So this is a lifetime deal. If you don't know what AppSumo is, here you can shop a lot of lifetime deals. This is their data analytics, and what I like is they actually track revenue of how much you sell. For that, I have to actually log into Amazon separately to different locations, .com, .ca, .uk, and to track the revenue, versus here everything is on one dashboard. And if I move a little bit down, the main feature I want to show you guys is tier 1, 2, 3. So if you want to have one store up running, and which I'm gonna do, it's gonna be one premium store, one custom domain. Remember, kit.co, you can't really customize it here, but shopper.com, I can turn it to my name, tario.com, tariosultan.com, or shop.tariosultan.com, and then you can have up to 3 users if you have a different admins and so forth, and unlimited products, unlimited clicks, unlimited traffic. So for $80, you get to own one store for life, versus if you want to have 2-3 different stores for yourself or different brands, clients, you might want to consider 2 premium store or 5 premium store for the tier 2 and tier 3. So basically my plan is I'm going to turn this one, which I called it my home studio, I'm going to migrate all the items from the right to the left, and I'm going to decorate everything so you get to see how it looks like. And for here, definitely reserve yourself a nice handle here. The main thing again I want to do is promote a product. You can promote coupon or you can promote deals, but mainly again here is a product I'm promoting. So immediately what you want to do is come to your profile and you want to click on settings, and you want to click on localization. Is you want to individually paste your codes here, your tracking codes. So you see immediately it turns to this green check. That means it's loaded. You can go sign up for these accounts on Amazon affiliate country, and then basically get the code and paste it in here, and you're good to go. And from there you can do customized domain. Again, this is a premium feature. For a premium feature, if you pay monthly, it's $29. That's why AppSumo deal is incredible. It's a limited time. Make sure you secure it. It'll give you all these instructions to do so. Do it with where you host your domain, and that's pretty straightforward. And for preferences, I have a Google Analytics and Pixels, meaning whoever click or visits this link, I'm able to track them. Hover your profile, you're gonna see earnings. Here is where we're gonna find out all the earnings. For me to track 5 different Amazon locations or countries, I have to log into 5 different platforms, versus here I can track everything in one dashboard. And that's it. it. And now come to your store, click on edit profile. You want to fill in your name, your username, and then just something about your store. And then here are social links. Once you paste the social links up to 3, it will automatically turn them into these icons and display to you on the homepage. And then at the end, you can make this account private if you only want to privately share this store. And then click on save changes. And then here on the top left corner, what you can do is click on edit. You can edit and change this cover image. And what I really did is come to unsplash.com, and you want to search something like computer or techie background, and you want to just decorate it as you want, depends on what niche you're in, and that's it. And now you can see that so far this is my store looks like, and I'm going to start loading the products one by one. I'm going to show you guys how the process looks like. Number 1, click on add. I'm going to add a collection first. Remember, this is my home studio setup. Paste the collection name, and then that's it. Again, you can keep the collection private if you have a certain collection you don't want to share, and then click on create. Since this is a home studio, I came to Unsplash again. I found that this image, I'm going to click on download. I'm going to use this image loaded as my cover image. By adding cover image, click on 3 dots, add cover. There you go. So that is, and you can resize this if you want to, and that's it. And click on save. And now let's start adding products into this collection. I'm going to click on plus sign, and what you want to do is you want to copy the Amazon link and paste it in here. Click on continue. You also have the option to upload everything as a bulk, and in here you can see once you upload it, it detects Amazon.com is the affiliate tracking enabled here, and it's also fetching these images from the Amazon.com product page, and then it's going to migrate it here. Obviously, we don't need Amazon.com, and let's remove here. You can enter a quick sentence here to say what kind of experience you had with this product. I'm adding it into this collection, and click on save, and that's it. And you can embed it, share it with the social media, and then start adding the next product. So once I added the first product, you can see here my first collection showed up here. It's called Home Studio Setup. If I open it, here's the first product we added. And remember this product, I grabbed it from Amazon.com, right? That's the product link. And now what happens here is that if I click on this and it redirected me to Amazon.ca, do you see? My location right now is in Canada. And just to make this experiment to the next level, I'm currently using a VPN. I'm routed to US because I'm from Canada, routed to US. Now I'm going to refresh my page and click on this product one more time. Click on Amazon. You can see it routed me to .com instead of .ca. If I turn on my VPN, give it a click one more time, it should be able to route it to .ca. So everything is happening in the back end. I love it so far. So one thing I noticed is when you fetch the product, the image might not be the high quality image. That's something I noticed. So let's do it one more time. Let's add this product one more time. And then what I could potentially do is just do a screen grab or screenshot like this of the product, make it square image, and now I can drag and drop this image into Shopper, and now it's basically can do a zoom in or zoom out and do a good crop, and there everything is good to go. You see this image is much nicer than the one I picked earlier. For some reason the resolution is not there. Click on save again, and now you can see that this image looks much nicer than this one, right? This one looks a little bit more blur, and this one's really nice. And that was the gem I discovered called shopper.com. And make sure you check out the app Sumo Deal. The link is in the description below. I really like this Shopper app, the intuitive design, the UI, how easy it is to import your product, to track the affiliate sales, the dashboard, and share the collection to your friends, families, and your subscribers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to migrate all my kits from kits.co to shopper.com. On top of it, I'm going to do my own custom domain. You're going to find my shop collection link in the description below. Give it a view so you can see a preview of how the final store will look like. Until next time, my friend, Tario Sultan signing out.